All right. Today a super simple tutorial on UDIO. It's basically an AI music creator. It's super simple if you want to create music for your YouTube video, for your lesson, maybe even create beats that you want to sell or that you want to use, right, for your tracks. So yeah, quite straightforward, right? Simple landing page. We just kind of sign up, choose whatever you like, right? With the socialists, I, for example, like Google quite a lot. You choose a username, hit it, go through it, then it shows you kind of your options. I tried it a bit, so it hit my quota, but you can obviously buy more tokens if you want, right? You have a pricing page and everything. Let me quickly give you an insight, right? Um, you know, quite cheap. $10, $30 a month to experiment with it with a lot of songs, so that's quite cool. But you can also test for free, right? I also created some as a start. You can also see, by the way, for example, you can generate 32 seconds. You can also nowadays generate longer clips, like full and 2 minute video audio clips, right? So nowadays, songs are usually anyways 1 2 minutes because they're looped on Spotify, whatever, right? So yeah, that makes a lot of sense, right? You can also see other creations that you've made in the past, right? Let me give you an example. For example, something here, maybe a bit louder. Electronic,
Hear the fire in my veins. I'm the cool between your
not that
beats.
upbeat, but
We
it's
melt
good,
and
right?
make a light our love. Heat meets the cold on a summer. The heat vibrates. Entwine. Love.
Jazz. Yeah. So yeah, you can do a lot of it. Yeah, you can really generate and be creative with using it, right? You mainly go on create, right? You can really detailed explain what you need, how the track should sound, the BPMs, the upbeat version, the emotions that you have, right? It also gives you some pre-selected options that you can use, right? So chill out, electronic, trip hop, whatever, right? The clip length, it shows you also your remaining credits, right? You can go along with the lyrics, you can auto-generate it, you can also do it manually, you can say you only want the instrumental without any text and voice, right? So yeah, highly recommend to check it out. You can also write your custom lyrics to, if you have a specific song or something that you want to make for someone, or want to spread it out, but you are not a musician or whatever, right? You now have the chance to do that. There's endless possibilities. You can start a music brand, you can start a label, you can start artificial DJs, right? There's so much things to do, but you can also sell the beats, right? You can do a lot of mainstream older stuff, like existing. You can use it really in the existing music world. So you can sell the beats. You can, use it for mixing, for mastering, whatever, right? They have quite a cool licensing. Also, I would recommend to check that out. Also, by the way, it's from my experience in comparison with the other music generators, it's a bit more advanced in terms of with all the settings, you can kind of play around with how much it should follow with the prompt, how much it should follow the lyrics, right? A specific seed if you want, if you like a specific song and want to replicate it or kind of follow it, you kind of use the same seed again, right? You can go with the clip style, you can go with lyric timing, you can go with the voice clarity, right? You can go with generation quality, right? And obviously faster generation, right? Is not that high quality, but if it's a bit slower, if you're fine with that, it tends to be higher quality. So yeah, you have quite a lot of options, right? I would highly, tell you to check it out, give it a go, and see you next time.